Alright guys, this is a video on how to put on your Whirlpool Kenmore cabinet. So typically I like to grab it by the lid and the body, the lift. And you can get inside. Now, the front part goes underneath and the outside goes on top of the frame. And then you just lean it back. And then you have two clips on the side that should slide right in. And also, the most important thing too, this is your pressure hose. This is what tells the timer, the pressure switch and then the timer, that the washer is full. So don't make a mistake and have this pinched between the frame. See, it has a clip to prevent that. Some of them don't have that clip. And if you pinch it between the frame, then you'll have an overflow issue. So make sure when you seal it, you put it that way, and then you get your two clips. Slide underneath. Press down with your hand. Press down with your hand. And you're all set. Now so you put your lid back down.
Right.
And don't forget to put your lid switch, plug it back in. And you remember, and if for some reason you put it back together and the washer doesn't spin, just double check to make sure you plug that back in. Because without it being plugged in, the washer will not go into the spin cycle. Alright, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe.